Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, thank you for joining. We do videos every Friday. My husband is here making noise. He wants you to know, just in case you're worried. But yeah, I thought I mean, you guys know, we're like family already here, okay? Oh, I think they can see you in the mirror. Anyway, yeah, if you're new, now you're part of the glam fam. Yay! I'm a little out of it because it's been a week. It's only Tuesday, but it's been a week. I am tired. I've spilled tahini all over myself, coffee all over the floor, makeup powder is everywhere. It's been a day. So why not end it with trying on some cute clothes so we can feel better. Yay! So yeah, welcome to the channel if you're new, and if you're a subscriber, thank you for being here. You guys have been amazing the last few weeks with me posting consistently on Fridays. You seem to really be liking that, and so we're gonna continue Friday uploads. I'm very excited for this video because I've partnered with Nastygal, and I've been wanting to do a sponsored video with Nastygal for a while. I actually watched that like Nastygal show that they had on Netflix. Let me know if you guys watched it. But if you didn't know this, then they have plus size and they have all types of stuff. Really cute, trendy, all that good stuff. So yeah, I'm really excited to get into it. We have a little bit of everything, colorful, neutral, a little bit of everything. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay guys, so instead of doing traditional regular try on haul, I thought I would try to make every outfit and every piece of clothing into an outfit. So it's like try on haul slash lookbook, you know. I'm trying to change it up, give you guys some outfits. So, okay, so for the first outfit, we have this really cute dress. I am obsessed with this dress. I showed it to you guys when I first got it. I showed it to you on Instagram. It's so cute. So all the links for everything will be down below, and look how cute this is. Oh my god, it's so comfortable. It's the most lightweight material. And I love that it's longer in the back. I love the ruffle little design here. You still get to show some leg without feeling super exposed. I love that it has this really nice stretch waist here, but it pulls you in. And I need that definition. You know, hourglass girls like me, we need that definition because if not, we end up looking wider than we are because of our hips. So anything that has some waist definition, I love. I also love this like V-neck here. There's the little puff sleeve. It just has a lot of cute little elements to it. And I just love. So with this, I'm gonna pair these really cute little sandals. I am obsessed with these. Again, these will be linked down below, but they're a little ruched little mule flat. And I love that these have like that designer look. They're not specifically wide width, but they do fit wide feet because this area here does stretch. So it does give some give. I ordered a size up. So this is a US 10, a UK 8. I'm normally a US 8.5 or 9. So I did size up about a full size just so that it would give me that extra room. But I love these so much, so I would pair these with this dress. I mean, look how cute this is. And it really gives you that like heels vibe without having to actually wear heels, but you still feel like super cute, super ready to go out. I feel like this is the perfect little outfit for a summertime dinner because you want to wear something comfortable. You want to wear something that's loose, easy breezy for when it's hot out, but you still want that like I got ready sexy vibe. And I love the neutral with the zebra print. If you guys follow me on Instagram as well, Gabriellaglamour, check it out. I'm trying to get to 400,000, help your girl out. I'm a few thousand away, so I would really love it if you could follow me. But anyway, if you follow me over on Instagram, you guys saw that I was talking about how this season neutral animal print styles are very popular. So a lot of zebra print, tiger stripes, snake print, Dalmatian print. The back has this really cute like little cutout. So for this next outfit, I threw on this really cute button down top, but this one is a little bit more special because it has this really cute puff sleeve kind of detail, and then I tied it here by leaving the last couple buttons undone, and it really gives me like super Selena vibes with the really open collar, and it's just so fresh and white and beautiful and just like chic, classic, all the vibes. But then to Nastygal it up, She's a nasty gal. I added this really cute satin mini skirt. Now, this skirt is a bit too short for me because you guys know I have really big hips and thighs and butt. Like, that's my problem, if you can say problem area. But the actual fit of the skirt is nice. Like, I really love the material. It's a satin kind of material, and it has a really nice stretchy waistband, and the actual fitting on the hip area and the belly area is decent for the size. I believe this is only a size 20. The issue for me is that it's too short. So it is supposed to be a mini skirt, but it's a bit too mini, if you catch my drift. But it's so cute. I think this would be a really cute skirt to throw on maybe in the fall or winter with like leggings, or I would wear this outfit as like a beach or pool party outfit with a bikini underneath. Or if you have less hips and thighs, you just wear it as a regular skirt. It's really, really cute though. I won't lie, I kind of want to just take pictures in it. I like the skirt. It's just, again, too short for me. But I threw on the same flats as before just so you guys can see the overall look. But I don't want to get flagged by YouTube. It's so sexy though. If the skirt was longer, it would have been perfect, but I have to show you guys because I think that it's still worth it to look at if you have, like I said, less hips and butt than I do, or if you want to wear it as a beach skirt. I think it would be really cute as a beach skirt as well, because I really believe in trying to make things work for you. If you really love something, if you like the way it fits, but maybe it needs to be worn in a different way, play with it. Turn it into a top, turn it into a mini skirt, turn it into a tube top, turn it into a beach skirt. You know, like, there's different things to do. So not everything is always a fail if it doesn't work the way it was intended to work. You gotta be a nasty gal and make it work. Hey, hey. Is it time for a salsa break? Not in this skirt though. Okay, so next piece is actually something really basic and really cute. I left my hair inside and you'll see why in a second. But it's a really nice, thick, heavy-duty t-shirt. Bam! How cute is this little print in the back? It says, I believe it says "Till Death Do Us Part." Just a really cute little graphic nod. This is one of those tops that I like to throw on when I'm running errands, and it still has a little cute vibe. You can take a little butt pic, you know, in your jeans with your back showing, you know, a little cute vibe. So had to show you guys. Okay, next outfit is a really cute little whimsical vibe. Normally I wouldn't pair two items like this together, but I think for summer, I think this is a really cute little ethereal kind of fairy. I don't know, it just gives me like springtime fairy ethereal vibes. I love this top. It's like a tulle, but I love that it starts at kind of like the middle point of the arm. It's not too big. It's like the perfect amount of dramatic and whimsical. It makes me feel like a fairy butterfly princess with wings. And I love, love, love that all of this part here is not see-through, but then the rest of it is. So it's modest, and I love the little off the shoulder vibe. It's super roomy. So if you have big girls, they're gonna fit in here. Breathable. It's so cute. It also has a cute little bottom tulle piece here. This will make a really nice top if you're doing like a bridal shower affordable look and you have like a nice satin skirt to go with it, or like a nice high waist long pants, like white pants. With this would be a gorgeous bridal look. So I paired it with this little satin skirt. This one actually does fit me a lot better. So this skirt is super cute. It has like a really cute little bias cut, meaning it's longer on one side, and then it has this little extra piece here for some extra flare. Again, I'm not wearing the best undergarments for this, but I think it's so cute. It really gives me that 2000s but grown up. So if you guys grew up in the 2000s, you know we wore skirts like this all the time. Like midi skirts, satin skirts, colorful skirts. I mean, I had so many skirts growing up, and I love skirts like this. I think they're so flattering. They're universally flattering on anyone, and they come in so many fun colors and styles, and they're just so easy to wear. They're comfortable. I just think everyone looks good in a skirt like this, so I am loving it. It's just super cute. I love this skirt. It's really airy, lightweight. I think it's the perfect little throw-on skirt for a nice summer brunch. Okay, so this next outfit, I just threw on a pair of pants that I already had. to go with this top, but I would wear this top with like jeans, jean shorts. There's so many ways. It's super, super fun. It gives me very like off work model color. It's like this really cool holographic duochrome, like neon blue, purple duochrome. It reminds me, do you guys remember that purple eyeshadow from MAC? I think it was called like Stars and something. Oh my god, do you remember that shadow being like everywhere? That was like all the rage when I worked for MAC. I'm gonna put the picture here because this shirt looks exactly like that eyeshadow. It's so pretty. I would probably throw on like a cute little purple or blue eyeliner with this. Look really cute again, tied up like this as well with jeans or jean shorts. I like to wear my button downs kind of like up a little bit. I love this. I think it's so fun for the summer. Like, look at the beautiful duo. This next top is really, really cute. I actually showed you in my recent spring outfits video this exact top and a whole outfit that I wore with this top. I love it. You guys actually like almost sold this top out. So many of you bought it. Hopefully they still have it and you can still get your hands on it. I am obsessed. It's very like Bridgerton vibes, very Victorian and dainty. I'm so cute and pretty. In that video I showed it to you guys with jeans and mules and it's really, really cute. But yeah, I'm obsessed with this top. It's so pretty. Ugh. Love the puff sleeves. It's off the shoulder and it has this beautiful little ruched design here, as well as like the little stretchy puff sleeve here, so it's really comfortable. I think you can pull it up and actually wear it up if you needed to, if you want to wear a bra with it. Oh yeah, look how cute. So yeah, you could wear it up like this, maybe like pin it to your bra straps to keep it up, but you still get that beautiful girly look. I'm obsessed with this top. Did I say I was obsessed? I'm obsessed. Last, I wanted to show you guys that white sleeve, polka dot sleeve top. I also have it here in the black color. Absolutely love it. So also really quick, wanted to show you that those mules also come in this beautiful minty sage color. So pretty for spring and summer. I believe they also have them in white. I might get them in white too because they're so comfortable. You have to pick a pair of these up. If they have your size, you need them. I don't care what color you get. They're gonna be your favorite for summer, promise. I also picked up this really cute little beach bag that gives me very designer vibes. It's super lightweight, but it's really big. And I love the little straw detail here. I'm definitely gonna be loving this for picnics, for the beach. It's so cute. Again, we'll link it down below and similar items as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a like, subscribe, all that good stuff. And please share and comment if you can, if you like this video. Let me know if you want to see hauls more this way, where it's a little bit more outfit based, or if you don't mind just regular hauls, or you know, maybe a vlog with a haul in it. What kind of videos would you like? Or do you not mind just like a regular, basic, but in a good way haul video? So thank you again to Nastygal for sponsoring this video. And if you guys are gonna shop these pieces, please use my links down below. It helps the brand see that you guys are enjoying the content. It also helps me. I do make a small commission. It helps my channel. If you're gonna buy it, help both of us out anyway. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you. Stay glam. You can find me on TikTok. You can find me on Instagram, YouTube, obviously everywhere. You can also head to Gabriellaglamour.com for everything you need. Also, there's a link in my Instagram bio, and it also has so many amazing links and resources. Again, the links for all these items will be down below, and I love you guys so much for watching. Stay glam, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.